Here's how to actually use it. Yo, what's up everyone? It's Jean-Claude. AI is blowing up right now. We've got AI image generators, AI writing assistants, even AI making videos like this one. Just kidding. Or am I? But real talk, a lot of people are still trying to figure out how to actually use these AI tools in their daily lives. So today, I'm breaking down some practical tips to help you level up your AI game, whether you're using ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, or any other AI that crosses your path. We're talking about clear communication, understanding limitations, and using AI as a tool to enhance your work, not replace it entirely. Let's get to it. Here are some practical tips to use AI, artificial intelligence, effectively, whether you're using tools like ChatGPT or integrating AI into your work or daily life. When using AI, always be clear and specific with your requests. Vague commands confuse it. Give concrete instructions for the best results. The clearer you are, the better AI can help you. Now, AI is getting smarter, but it's not about to win any awards for intuition. If you throw a super complex task at it all at once, it might just short-circuit. That's where step-by-step instructions come in. Break down your request into smaller, manageable chunks. Let's say you want to analyze a bunch of data and create a report. Instead of asking for everything at once, start with analyze this data for trends. Then, once you've reviewed the results, you can tell it, generate a report based on these trends, highlighting the key findings. Imagine you walked into a conversation halfway through. You wouldn't have the full picture, right? AI is kind of the same way. It needs context to really understand your needs. So don't be afraid to give it the backstory. Tell it what you're working on, what industry you're in, and what your goals are. For example, instead of just asking for a list of marketing strategies, you could say, I'm launching a new clothing line targeting young adults interested in sustainable fashion. Give me a list of marketing strategies that would resonate with this audience. See, way more helpful. Let's be real, AI is a powerful tool, but it's not here to replace you. It's here to help you do your best work. Think of it as your super smart sidekick. It can brainstorm ideas, draft content, analyze data, even catch those pesky typos. But at the end of the day, you're the one calling the shots. Always review and edit anything the AI generates to make sure it aligns with your vision and standards. Ever find yourself typing out the same long, complicated prompts over and over again? Who has time for that? Here's a pro tip: save your prompts. Seriously, if you've crafted the perfect prompt that consistently gets you amazing results, don't let it disappear into the AI abyss. Save it somewhere. A note on your phone, a document on your computer, whatever works for you. And the best part, you can tweak these saved prompts for different situations, making them even more versatile. Alright, last but not least, let's talk about using AI responsibly. First up, sensitive information. Would you hand your credit card to a stranger? Hopefully not. So don't be giving AI your passwords, bank details, or any personal information you wouldn't want just anyone to access. Secondly, always double-check the facts. AI is a beast at processing information, but it's not perfect. Especially when it comes to things like legal, medical, or financial advice. Always verify the information from reliable sources before making any decisions. So there you have it, guys. AI is rapidly changing the tech landscape, and it can be a game changer for your productivity and creativity. Just remember, like any tool, it's all about using it effectively and responsibly. Be clear with your instructions, provide context, and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. The more you explore and understand the power of AI, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the exciting world it's creating.